挺
quite, rather,
quite, rather.
这个任务挺容易的。这个任务挺容易的。
this task is quite easy.
This task is quite easy.
我觉得挺好笑的。我觉得挺好笑的。
I think it's quite funny.
I think it's quite funny.
我看上了一件挺漂亮的衣服，还打折呢。我看上了一件挺漂亮的衣服，还打折呢。
I fell in love with a very beautiful dress, and it was on sale.
I fell in love with a very beautiful dress, and it was on sale.
紧张，紧张。
Nervous.
Nervous.
第一次和女朋友约会，他有点紧张。第一次和女朋友约会，他有点紧张。
He was a little nervous on his first date with his girlfriend.
He was a little nervous on his first date with his girlfriend.
考试的时候，我有点紧张。考试的时候，我有点紧张。
During the exam, I was a little nervous.
During the exam, I was a little nervous.
轮到他上台的时候，他更加紧张了。轮到他上台的时候，他更加紧张了。
When it was her turn to go on stage, she was even more nervous.
When it was her turn to go on stage, she was even more nervous.
今天公司的事情特别多，时间安排得很紧张。今天公司的事情特别多，时间安排得很紧张。
There are a lot of things going on in the company today, and the schedule is very tight.
There are a lot of things going on in the company today, and the schedule is very tight.
信心，信心。
Confidence.
Confidence.
我们做任何事情的时候，一定要对自己有信心。我们做任何事情的时候，一定要对自己有信心。
When doing anything, we must have confidence in ourselves.
When doing anything, we must have confidence in ourselves.
父母应该经常鼓励孩子，让他们充满信心地做任何事情。父母应该经常鼓励孩子，让他们充满信心地做任何事情。
Parents should always encourage their children so that they can do anything with confidence.
Parents should always encourage their children so that they can do anything with confidence.
只要你不放弃，不失去信心，我相信你一定能成功。只要你不放弃，不失去信心，我相信你一定能成功。
As long as you don't give up and don't lose confidence, I believe you will succeed.
As long as you don't give up and don't lose confidence, I believe you will succeed.
能力，能力。
Ability. Capability. Competence.
Ability. Capability. Competence.
我们必须把这个任务交给有能力的人。我们必须把这个任务交给有能力的人。
We must leave the task to capable people.
We must leave the task to capable people.
压力太大会影响儿童的学习能力。压力太大会影响儿童的学习能力。
Too much stress can affect a child's ability to learn.
Too much stress can affect a child's ability to learn.
如果你不断提高自己的能力，你升职的机会就会增加。如果你不断提高自己的能力，你升职的机会就会增加。
If you continue to improve your abilities, your chances of promotion will increase.
If you continue to improve your abilities, your chances of promotion will increase.
招聘，招聘，
Recruit.
Recruit.
为了扩展业务，公司需要招聘更多的人才。为了扩展业务，公司需要招聘更多的人才。
In order to expand its business, the company needs to recruit more talents.
In order to expand its business, the company needs to recruit more talents.
招聘启事刚发布，就吸引了很多人预约面试。招聘启事刚发布，就吸引了很多人预约面试。
As soon as the recruitment notice was released, it attracted many people to make appointments for interviews.
As soon as the recruitment notice was released, it attracted many people to make appointments for interviews.
互联网的快速发展为企业招聘人才提供了新的渠道。互联网的快速发展为企业招聘人才提供了新的渠道。
The rapid development of the Internet has provided new channels for enterprises to recruit talents.
The rapid development of the Internet has provided new channels for enterprises to recruit talents.
提供，提供，
Provide.
Provide.
现在超市不提供免费的塑料袋。现在超市不提供免费的塑料袋。
Supermarkets don't provide free plastic bags now.
Supermarkets don't provide free plastic bags now.
公司为新员工提供工作培训课程。公司为新员工提供工作培训课程。
The company provides job training courses for new employees.
The company provides job training courses for new employees.
公司提供的培训课程对我们的工作很有帮助。公司提供的培训课程对我们的工作很有帮助。
The training courses provided by the company are very helpful for our work.
The training courses provided by the company are very helpful for our work.
这些是专为老年人提供的服务。这些是专为老年人提供的服务。
These are services specifically for seniors.
These are services specifically for seniors.
谢谢观看。